Alright, today we're going to convert a 36 volt EZGO TXT golf cart that has six volt Trojan batteries in it. I'm tired of spending 150 bucks per battery. About every 5 years they got to be replaced. We're going to convert it to three 12 volt Walmart deep cycle batteries. Let's see what we got. Try to keep you updated here. That's good. Just go and take the seat off. All right. Now to remove all the old batteries. All right, we got all the wing nuts removed from the batteries. Now just to start removing all the wiring. Alright, brackets are unbolted. And now we can start pulling the batteries out. Alright, all 6 batteries are out. Bunch of corrosion down there. We're going to have to pull this over in the yard and try to clean up all this corrosion before we start putting it back together. Alright, give us a few minutes. Trying to clean up the frame a little bit. There was corrosion on it. Just use some basic battery cleaner, removes corrosion stuff. Let it sit on there a few minutes. So rinse it off real good before we put the new batteries in. Alright. Here are the batteries that we bought. I just went to Walmart. Deep cycle group 24 size. Fits right in the same exact locations as the old 6 volt batteries. These were $74.99 a piece, so times 3, looking about 250 bucks after tax. This is March of 21, so the batteries are production date's only a month old on them. And let's see how the golf cart's looking. Corrosion stuff still eating away. Still need to rinse this off, so put it back together. Alright, you might want to decide how you want to place your batteries. You could either go 1, 2, 3, or you could go 1, 2, one back here, 1, 2, one in the middle. I was just thinking the best for weight distribution, just do the 3 in the front all the way across. And then the problem is the brackets that hold the batteries in, the brackets are no longer going to work. So temporarily we're just going to use a ratchet strap. Here in the next week I'll go to Harbor Freight and I'll buy some of those large zip ties, the really big ones that are like 2 foot long. And we'll just use maybe 2 zip ties going around the top to the bottom. And maybe we'll just do zip ties also going this direction around just in case. Batteries don't like vibration, so you want them to be held in tightly. Just test fitting the wires right now. And hopefully here soon we should be able to test it. Alright. Alright. I think we're temporarily set up here. We got a ratchet strap for the time being until you use zip ties, the big heavy duty ones. Looks like it's wired. Positive over here. Negative jumps to the positive. Negative jumps to this positive. Negative comes back to complete the circuit. Temporarily attached until we find the correct length of wire. Looks like we got 36 volts. I just tested it with the voltmeter a minute ago. It's at 38 volts because they're fully charged. About to see if this thing goes. Have my father jump on and
put my trusty dusty thingy in there. We need it. We're up our maiden voyage. Let's get her done, son.
make sure it works. I say run it down the driveway real fast and come back and make sure it works.
If I get caught, I'll get caught. Up there out doing something.
Yeah, so far so good. Well, apparently so far 3 12-volt deep cycle batteries are working, and we'll see how long they last. I'll keep you updated how many years or how many months or how long it stays charged.
It hasn't run like that in years.
All right, let's give it a ride. Hold on.